You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed.
So let's get into my birthday hair. I've gotten so many requests on what hair I've been wearing every time I've been going live on TikTok as of late. And this wig is from Megalook Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. So this is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. It is 30 inches long. This is a loose wave texture and the hair is very nice and full. The hair isn't even fully air dried right now. I would say it's about 80% dry, so it gets even bigger than this. I absolutely love the curl pattern of this hair. I love how I did the baby hairs on this wig, but you don't have to do baby hairs on this wig if you don't want to. It's just like the vibe that I was going for. I've had this wig on my head for a couple of days now and it still looks super bomb, y'all. So highly recommend. I actually use glue to adhere this wig down. I haven't used glue in so long. I used the Ebin Wonderlace Bond glue and this definitely lasted for the last few days that I've been on vacation for my birthday. So if you are interested in finding out how I installed this gorgeous wig today from Megalook Hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So my wig came inside of this satin bag from Megalook Hair. It also came with these freebies. And here is the natural curl pattern of the hair. It is a loose wave texture, 30 inches long, y'all. This is the hair before you define it or do any combing or anything. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal. It has 2 wig combs in the front, 1 wig comb in the back, and it doesn't have any adjustable straps inside of it when it comes to you, but you can add an adjustable strap because they give you that option. I went ahead and threw this on my head and I want to make sure that the hairline is matched up correctly with mine so we can go ahead and install this wig. Before I start installing the wig, I like to cut around my ear area to make sure that this fits nice and secure because it helps me to install the hair. So that is what we're going to do first. I'm using eyebrow scissors to help me get the perfect precision for this, y'all. Believe it or not, I am using lace wig glue today. This is the Ebin Wonderlace Bond in the Supreme. And when I tell you this glue lasts and also the lace just sticks to it nice, just make sure that you let it get nice and tacky and clear before you start laying your lace down. And this is gonna last you for at least a week or two, y'all, because my wig has already been on for almost a week and it still looks bomb. So yeah, highly recommend this glue and it is relatively inexpensive. You can get it from your local beauty supply store or you can order it online. So once it got nice and clear, we're gonna go ahead and press the lace down into the glue with the back of my comb. And I like to work from side to side. I do not pull the lace too much because that can cause buckling and we don't want that. We want our lace to look nice and smooth. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna take my melting band, apply that on for like 10 minutes. And then once that is melted in, we're gonna remove the band. And then I'm going to cut off all that excess lace in the front of my hairline. To get my lace extra melted, I'm using my Ebin Wonderlace Bond melting spray in the Supreme, and this literally just melts that lace right into my hairline, y'all. And then I'm gonna take my melting band yet again and tie it around my hair. We are gonna do our makeup and then I'll be back. So I installed this hair a couple of days ago. I wanna go ahead and refresh it for y'all and style this hair. So let me make sure that it's in the middle, the parting. because sometimes it gets off a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna take my Ebin edge control and I'm going to use this to slick down the hair around my parting, y'all. I'm also gonna go in with the olive oil spritz. Next, I'm gonna take my hot comb and we are going to get this parting nice and flat. It's already flat because I've done this already like a couple days ago, but I wanna make sure that it looks nice and fresh today, so we're gonna do it again. I did decide to add baby hairs like a couple days ago after I installed this wig, but you've seen me do this so many times. Y'all know how I like to do it, but I did use my Extreme Pro Gel to lay my baby hairs, and I used an edge brush to do that. So I did brush through the hair, but we are going to rehydrate and define these curls right now. So what you're gonna need for this step is a water bottle, and I just have plain water in here, no product added to it. I'm also gonna use this detangling brush from Evolve. I will link everything in the description box down below and within the video if I can. Also, I'm going to be using this Lotta Body mousse. I've been loving this for defining the curls on my wavy and curly hair. So these are the only 3 products I'm going to be using to define the curls on this hair. So let's first start off by wetting down this hair. And I'm actually doing it before I do my makeup today, just because I want the hair to air dry while I'm doing my makeup, because it's getting cold outside. No one wants to go out with cold hair. I'm gonna get each strand nice and saturated. It doesn't need to be like dripping wet, but you wanna saturate the hair very nicely, top to bottom, y'all. And I really like to focus on the ends because I want that area to be nice and defined as well. Next, I'm gonna take the detangling brush and I'm gonna go through the hair just to make sure the water's evenly distributed, and I'm going to make sure that the hair is fully detangled before we start defining the curls with the mousse. So it's saturated enough for me now. I'm gonna take my Lotta Body mousse. I use a generous amount and I'm going to run it down the shaft of the entire hair, y'all. And I'm going to go in a few times to make sure I get the hair nice and saturated, and I like getting my ends really good. So then I'm gonna take the detangling brush once again, and we're gonna comb through those waves and scrunch the hair up. But yeah, if you want your wavy and curly textures to look really good, you need to scrunch those curls, y'all. The more you scrunch, the tighter the wave or the curl is going to be. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on this side. Wet the hair down all the way. And once it's nice and saturated, I'm going to brush through the hair, and then I'm gonna take my mousse yet again. And we're gonna use the mousse to define these curls. Make sure you get every single strand, y'all. And then just start scrunching up the curls to get them as defined as you would like. So I'm going to allow the hair to fully air dry, y'all. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. So I just finished my makeup. It turned out super cute. I did it live on TikTok. If you're interested in following me on there, I will have my link above right here. Definitely go follow me because I do live get ready with me's. If you want to ask me like any questions, then I answer them straight up on live. I love chatting with y'all there. But let's go ahead and start breaking up these waves a little bit. I let the hair air dry while I was doing my makeup, and the hair is probably about 80% air dried right now, y'all. So I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb, and we are just gonna make the curls more big, particularly like at the top here. The hair is still just a tad bit wet, so the curls are gonna get a little bit more big and poofier than even this, y'all. And then I'm also gonna take this Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment, and I like to use this to break up the curls as well. And that's it, y'all. This is the final look. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this wig install. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Megalook Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Black Friday is coming up, so a lot of sales will be going on. So definitely make sure that you catch this wig on sale. I will have all that information down in the description box for you guys. Thank you all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. And if you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, it is a birthday look. It is the look I actually wore for my birthday this year. So I'm gonna leave the video right here. Be sure to go check it out. Even if it's not your birthday, try it out for a date night or a holiday look. It's gonna look super bomb on you.